Hi there, welcome to Food with Len. Today I'm going to make a really simple dish, popcorn. And what's amazing about this is, you know those little bags you get that you put in the microwave? I don't know what they cost, but they definitely aren't as cheap as this. This is popcorn that I bought. This is popcorn that I bought. It was 4 cups. Or 2 pounds for $2. So basically what that works out to is I'm going to do a 1/4 of a cup here today, and that's 12.5 cents plus whatever your oil costs. Now I did this yesterday and I used avocado oil, and amazingly enough I couldn't find a single unpopped kernel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and take this pan, like a medium-sized pan, deep pan, and I'm just going to coat the bottom. Today I'm using vegetable oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my oil in, set my pan on high, not like maximum high, but like, you know, I hear a lot of people talk about medium high or whatever. I use high, it works. So how I will know when my oil is ready is I'm going to go ahead and put 2 kernels in. I'm putting 2 in just in case one's a dud. And then as soon as I get a pop, I'm going to go ahead and put this in. Now, I've watched a few popcorn videos, and one of the things that I've noticed is, like, you've got this one cook. He's oh, well, there we go. He's a favorite on the Food Network. I'm not going to name names, but, you know, Kitchen MacGyver or whatever. And he's using a, what is it? He's using a mixing bowl. Okay, there we go. So we're all set. Popcorn in, and you just start moving it around. Anyway, he's using a mixing bowl, you know, like a metal stainless steel mixing bowl. And his whole reasoning is, well, all your kernels are going to drop to the bottom and you're not going to have burnt popcorn. Guess what? Look up that video. He's got burnt popcorn. So you just want to use something like this. And basically what you want to do is you just want to move it around a little bit. Just keep it moving, and you're listening for the popping. And as soon as the popping starts to slow down to nothing, like right there, okay, that's it. That's all you got. That's all you need. So now what I'm going to do is, I should have had my bowl ready for this. I wasn't prepared. I'm going to set this on my stainless steel table, which is kind of a heat sink. Alright, you don't want your popcorn to burn. So at this point what you're going to do is you're just going to move all this to a bowl. And now, if you'll notice, I don't have any kernels in here, and what was at the bottom of the bowl is now at the top of the bowl, and I don't have any kernels in here either. So all of my kernels have popped. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and take some, I'm using sea salt, and the reason my video yesterday didn't go up is because I went super heavy on the salt. Don't do that. You can always add more, you can't take it away. So we're going to go ahead and mix that up a little bit. If you want to, you can melt some butter, put salt in the butter or whatever. The chef I was talking about, he put salt in the oil. I haven't tried that. I don't know if that's going to be a good idea or not. But anyway, here you go. This is, when you consider the oil and the energy and everything, this is less than 20 cents to produce all this popcorn. 20 cents. This is like at least 1.5 bags, maybe 2 bags, depending upon what size bags you get. Okay, yeah, salt is good. Everything's good. I might melt some butter and pour it over this, but no, I'm just going to go ahead and have it like it is. But anyway, that's all there is to it. It's simple as can be. Very, very cost effective. This thing here will give me, let's see, it's 2 pounds. I used a 1/4 cup, so you'll get 16 batches out of 2 pounds, which is 4 cups. Yeah, that's a bunch. It's a lot of popcorn. I should have had the math done before this. Anyway, do all the things, you know, like, subscribe, the bell thing, whatever. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it makes popcorn for you. Please leave a comment and let me know what I did wrong that you think, or what I did right, and how you would do it, and how it turned out for you. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in another video.